Well, here's a red FN2 Civic in for a remap this morning. I'm not going to tell you what day it is because we don't normally work on bank holiday Mondays. But, oh, I've said it now, haven't I? Never mind. Right, so here we go. So it's got some modifications. It's got a induction cone and a Decat. So, has it got an exhaust on it?
Yeah.
What's it got?
Toyo Sport.
It's got a Toyo Sport exhaust, so we'll see if we make some power today. I should think we will make a dramatic increase in the mid-range. Just put a dribble of oil in it for its health checks. But yeah, here we go. Well, she's up on the dyno. Good morning, Richard. How you doing?
Morning.
It's a bit Monday-ish, isn't it?
It's worse than Monday. It's bank holiday.
Yeah, it's almost like a Sunday, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no good. But customers travelled, so he just happened to be in the area. So we thought we'd accommodate him because we were in here anyway, pissing about. So, like I say, it's had a bit of oil in it. We've got a ram air cone, a Decat, and a Toyo Sports exhaust. Fingers crossed. Let's see what she makes in the initial power run. One of the comments on one of the videos this week, Richard, was the guy particularly likes it when I stick a camera in your face whilst you're working.
Oh yeah, that's my favourite, mate. My favourite whilst I'm concentrating and trying to figure out what I want to do.
Yeah, I just start
while your camera's in the face, then start asking me a completely
irrelevant
question to not do what I'm already doing whilst I'm trying to undertake.
It's great, ain't it?
Yeah,
it's great. But he particularly liked that, so here we go. This one's just for you.
Yeah.
I'm annoying Richard.
You don't annoy me.
No, you love me. You do love me.
I'm not letting you come with me.
Now I'm not. You did hear that. There's no fish on this one, is there? Look, there's no goldfish. Just a not provided. Not provided the goldfish for that one.
No, I like that guy's story the other day.
Yeah, it was nice, wasn't it? I enjoyed that. Kept you entertained.
Hello.
Hi, Rich.
Hello, Daniel. from this bank holiday Monday.
Yes.
I haven't met, just in case you hadn't got the hints there, it is bank holiday Monday and Dan's made me come to work.
Well, mate.
Obviously, as is my boss, he said, you're not having a day off, you can do some work. So here we are.
But you've been extremely successful, as you always have, and you've made some good gains on this very lightly modified FN2 Civic.
Does it mean I can get paid today now?
No, you're not getting paid, mate.
Oh, okay.
Told you about that.
Well, I thought it was worth an ask.
Well, I'll have you in the office and I'll explain to you why you're not getting paid.
Yeah, explain to it. Well, we'll keep that off the video.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's about time you had an appraisal.
About time I had a wage rise.
You're not getting one of them, mate. You'll be looking to get a wage, let alone a wage rise.
Yeah.
Right, anyway, FN2 Civic. Now, it's just got a cone filter on it, a Decat, some form of eBay exhaust, which we think... but it's done all right. It's made some mid-range gains.
Did he say it was
Toyo Sport?
He said Toyo Sport, didn't he? I think he said.
But it's made 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range. It's made 20 foot-power of torque in the mid-range, and we're up across the whole of the graph.
Yeah, I mean, not massively up across the whole graph, but we've made mid-range power, which is where we expect to make. Not the best mods on these, and we know that these are really sensitive to mods. You have to really have the best of everything to make some proper
power.
Yeah, to make some proper power. So not surprised by the result today at all. But yeah, okay, it's a good mod. He's going
to have fun with his switchable maps and his feature maps,
and it's got pops and bangs. There's a lot of things that go with it as well. So the beauty of the FN2 is it isn't just the map that you're getting. There's drivability and
like I've said before in some of my videos, because you've got control at the steering wheel features, you feel like you're more in tune with your own car. You've got some more stuff to do, and like you're the master of it.
Yeah, I think that's what I like about it. When you map an EP3, it's not really a lot you can do with it. You know what I mean? There is obviously you can map it, but I mean, like for customer interaction, as you want to put it that way, there's not a lot there. But yeah, with the Ecutek, then obviously they get features, which is something else that's like, ooh, can mess around with the steering wheel and
adjustable launch control.
Yeah, swap some maps.
Badass.
What's this?
Well, it looks like when they were doing something with the clutch, they spilt a lot of it.
It does certainly look that way, don't it? I must admit, there's a lot of sort of a lot of brake fluid around here, isn't there?
It's like, is that what they've used to bleed it?
Let's have a...
You're going to turn that back? You're going to have to just turn it to face. Here's my finger. Look, finger.
Yeah, it all seems a bit wet around there.
They've only just done this. They bled it up using this tyre on this side, which is why it only had 12 psi.
Well, okay.
But anyway, would you like, Richard? Would you like to see the graph?
Yeah, go on then.
Let's go and do
Let's
that.
go and do the graph.
Well, here we go. And as we always say, red line is as it came in, blue line as it leaves. As you can see, there's power made right across the range, extended it out to 8.6, lowered the VTEC, and we made some gains in the mid-range there, which we're quite happy with. And we finish on 230 brake, which is 185 at the wheel. So 12 wheel horsepower up was pretty good going. What are you doing up there, Richard? Taking photos?
I was about to bang my head on that.
Yeah, don't do that, because I closed the hatch, mate. I closed the hatch. So anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I hope these young men over here are going to have a great laugh on the way home in this today. Certainly transformed it. So we'll see you soon. Won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.